Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be doing the first speed test comparison with Honor 8X, and it is against Redmi Note 5 Pro. I have already done the unboxing video. If you want to check that out, link is in the description. So this phone, Honor 8X, is having Kirin 710, the new chipset, versus Snapdragon 636. So let's see how it goes. We'll start with the boot up test as always. And also guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. I will be making a lot of videos with this phone, the speed test, camera comparison, battery drain test, and also make sure you subscribe. Time to boot both the phones up straight away. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Now let's see how this chipset performs 710. I'm really excited to see. So as you can see that almost the phones are similar in size, even though it has a 6.5-inch display. And the display looks beautiful, by the way. And let's see. Okay, so Honor 8X first to boot up, and Redmi Note 5 Pro done as well. So as you guys can see that both the phones have 4 gigs of RAM, and also the storage is same as well. So yeah guys, let's get straight in it. Everything is closed in the background, and starting with the phone dialer. Here we go. Faster on 8X. Let's try with calendar. Here we go. Again faster on Honor 8X. Let's open settings. Okay, I think that was really similar. Camera. Faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's finally open Chrome. Okay, so this was a little bit faster on Honor 8X. Let's try with some of the social apps. Here we go, starting with Pinterest. And let's see. Okay, faster on 8X. Twitter. This time it's faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Snapchat. Okay, so this was really similar. Facebook. Faster on Honor 8X. Let's open Instagram. Okay, so I think that was faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's try by opening some games, guys. I think this will be really interesting to see. Starting with the Flappy Bird game, the Lite one. And okay, so faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Motor Traffic Racer. And again, looks like Redmi Note 5 Pro will end up on the winning side. Yes, Redmi Note 5 Pro first. And smash hit. Okay, I think that was a little bit faster on Honor 8X. Let's open Subway Surfers. And till now it's been like neck and neck. And guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. And yes, Honor 8X faster in this. Redmi Note 5 Pro took some time. So let's finally open GTA San Andreas. This is a really heavy game, and I think Honor 8X will win this pretty easily. And okay, yes, faster on Honor 8X. So I think game does open faster on 710. Let's try opening some shopping apps, guys, starting with Amazon. And yes, I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so opened on Honor 8X. And okay, so loaded on Honor 8X as well. Let's try opening this Banggood. And okay, this time it's opened on Redmi Note 5 Pro. And okay, both phones taking some time to load. Okay, so let's quickly cut this pop-up. And okay, so Redmi Note 5 Pro I think will load it first. Yes, it has. Let's finally open Flipkart. And once again, I think Redmi Note 5 Pro has opened, and it's almost loaded. Yes, you can see that. Yes, it has loaded. So let's quickly have a look at the RAM management. Here we go. Snapchat, refreshed on both. Pinterest, again refreshed. Instagram, refreshed on 8X. GTA San Andreas. Okay, so refreshed on Honor 8X. And finally, Flappy Bird. So yeah guys, it's in the RAM, and that pretty much wraps it up, guys. I would say that it did perform well in the gaming section, but other than that, it was like even Steven. Sometime it was Redmi Note 5 Pro, sometime it was Honor 8X. I'll be doing it with more phones, so make sure you are subscribed. Honor 7X, maybe with Mi A1 as well. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.